Microsoft AI, Copilot and the models offered there. They're really beneficial in the wider ecosystem of Microsoft tools that are offered. You essentially get a plug and play experience in some aspects, which you're not going to see with other tools that you bring to the table. It lets you get a much faster return on investment when you're looking at bringing that into your workflows and business. If you use Power Apps, Power Platform, Power Automate, anything along those lines, we can see that it delivers value there exceptionally quickly. Reduction in manual data entry, so taking some of those tasks away from people. Copilot is a big one in this space. That they enable you to, with Copilot, to capture recordings of meetings that people have had. Obviously useful to get that transcript and that data, but then that can be taken further and ingested into automated systems that can be built on top of that. Say you've got a process where you have a consultancy call with a client. You can then take the data you might want from that call, some of the information you've gathered, and put that into your other internal systems where it could be used to power other processes. So removing a lot of that manual data entry that comes from, you've had an hour-long call, now you need to go through and either have been trying to record stuff in the background as you're trying to hold that conversation at the same time, which is difficult, but it can just take away that workload and from people and accelerate that process. Here, the big one is where we go from that initial requirements gathering, where we have a session, or essentially a consulting session with a client. That used to be perhaps a task that took days to convert from that initial meeting to creating lots of different tickets, maybe hundreds of requirements and features, and writing out user stories. Now that can all be captured during a meeting using Copilot, and we can run it through some AI models to help flesh out those tasks. There's then some human intervention to make sure it's captured everything and everything it's done is valid. But actually creating all those tickets and all of that information, converting it to usable data for us, it can take minutes. Really, don't be afraid of change. The AI industry at the moment is advancing rapidly. The technology is moving at a quick pace. The tools of today won't be the tools of tomorrow. But developing and bringing that AI into your business or into your workflows now is not going to hurt you. As it evolves, the lessons I learned from the AI I'm working with today, they do move forwards. The way my ways of working evolve, but they don't fundamentally change. So getting involved today and bringing it into your business or your day-to-day work is going to be valuable going forward. If you were watching this thinking, how do you get involved with AI and where do you even begin as a business? It's worthwhile giving us a call. We run a series of Copilot workshops, Power Apps and Power Platform a day to understand what automation we can deliver to your business, where AI may intersect with that. So there are a number of workshops we can run for your business, and give us a call.